Okay guys, it's a pleasure to have you back on this channel. And this is where we share value, and I bring any idea I see that it's good for the market, and it can also help other traders like me to make money. I always come here to share it with everybody. So guys, I'm here with another strategy. It's a very powerful one, a reliable one, and it's a two-way strategy. A strategy you can use in scalping the market, and also using catching spikes. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, and also you are lucky to have this video on your screen right now, because you're actually going to learn a lot. It's actually going to help you. You're actually going to make some money with this strategy. Okay, so all you just have to do is just watch this video to the end, and apply it on your own charts and start making money for yourself. And please, if you've not subscribed to this channel before, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to leave some sweet comments, and also turn on your notification bell to always get amazing stuffs from us whenever we post them online. So quickly, I'm just gonna run into the video and show you how this strategy works. But first, I'd like to check on your description page. You see a link to my Telegram group. It's a free group where we drop signals. You also meet other traders like you. I drop strategies and I drop free signals as well. And also, if you want to deal, like you have some business we can discuss with, still on the description page you see a link to my WhatsApp number. You can talk to me directly. Is it account management you want? Is it mentorship? Or is it the VIP signal group that we drop 4 to 5 signals daily? I mean, not just signals, but some profitable signals with some good trades. Okay, feel free to talk to me. Let's deal together. So guys, quickly, let's start and let me show you how this strategy really works. Okay guys, show how the strategy really works. So first of all, I'm going to start with how you can actually cash spikes with the strategy. I'm going to show the settings of these indicators at the end of this video, so just watch the video and get a clear understanding of how this works. Then at the end, I'm going to show the settings, so just watch the video to the end, then you get the settings of the strategy. So first of all, we are going to talk about how you can actually cash spikes with this strategy. But there's something I'd like you to really understand. Okay, if you actually want to trying to cash spike on a trade, this is boom, and you actually want to cash spikes with boom. If you want to cash spikes with boom, that means you're actually going to buy. Okay, you're actually going to buy. So in order for you to buy and have as much spikes as you want, you always have to understand that the market has to be on an uptrend. Okay, because when the market is on an uptrend, that is when we are that is when it's more advisable for us to make some buy entries, because the market is actually the price is pumping up. That means we have been having series of spikes, and the spikes will still keep coming because the market is an uptrend. So in that case, before you start buying with this strategy, you have to understand the market structure. Like I always say, price action. If you don't really understand how price action works, you can check on my previous videos. I always talk about price action and tell you and explain to you where you can understand when a market is on uptrend and when a market is on downtrend. So guys, so first of all, before you start buying, you need to understand the price action, the market structure. Okay, in which way the market is actually heading at the point at that particular time. Okay, so you can't start buying when the market is on a downtrend. Okay, it's not advisable. So it's advisable when the market is on uptrend. You look for some good entry, and you make your buys straight. So after that has been done, and you see that the market is on uptrend, that it's actually advisable for you to start trading and cash your spikes. So what you just need to do is, first of all, you have to wait. You see on your indicator window one, this red indicator we are seeing here is actually going to tell us where we can actually place our trades. Okay, so this is how it works. First of all, you need to wait for this red indicator you see here to get down to the level 20. Okay, it should get down to the level 20. So when once you see this red indicator crossing the first line you're seeing here, which is the level 20, and once you see the indicator crossing the line towards the level 10 here, that is when you open your position. You know why you have to open your positions at that level? Because if you actually wait for it to get down to this level, there might be a spike, and if that spike happens, that means you've missed the trade already. You can't enter again until you have another setup like that. So in order for you not to miss that entry, so when once you see the red indicator crossing this first line towards the level 10, that is when you open your positions, and you wait to have a spike. As you can see, there is a spike here. Okay guys, okay, the market actually got to this level 10 here, and there was a spike. The level 10 here is where we call the oversold level. So we're actually expecting a spike here, though most times it might not really happen like that, but we are 90% sure that whenever it gets to this place, there will be a spike. Okay, there will be a spike. So what you just have to do is you wait for your red indicator to cross this level 20 here. Okay, when once you see the red indicator crossing the level 20 towards the level 10 here, you open your positions and expect to catch a spike here. So let's look for another example. As you can see, this is it guys. As you can see, the red indicator crosses the level 10, and when it got to the level level 20, and when it got down to the level 10, as you can see, there was a spike here. So if we keep back texting this, you'll see that it's happening just like that. So as you can see, there was a spike here guys. You keep going on and on, you see it's still working that way. As you can see, there's a spike here. So all you just have to do is just wait, okay? Because in Forex, you have to be very patient. You have to be very patient. You don't just rush in and start trading, okay? You have to wait for some conditions to be met. You have to wait for some good entries. And how do you know when you can have a good entry? It's when you actually understand price action, and have a place of interest. Because before you start trading, you must always have a place of interest where you want the market to get to a certain place for you to start buying or start selling. So when you understand these things, it helps you a lot to actually trade the Forex market with ease. So guys, so this is how this strategy works if you want to catch spikes. So now I'm going to head into how you can actually scalp the market with this strategy. So first of all, as you can see, we have so many indicators here. We have so many lines here on our main chart. Okay, so these lines here are actually going to tell us when we can actually scalp the market. Okay, so first of all, before we start scalping, we have to look out for all these indicators we are seeing here, because they all play a major role in this strategy. If all of them doesn't work at together, and it doesn't like meet our conditions, we cannot make that sell. Okay, so as I was saying, for you to start scalping, when we say scalping, it means you're actually just trying to pick few candlesticks and close the trade. You're not actually doing a swing trade that you trade for a long time. It's just a trade you pick few candlesticks and you close the trade with profits. So that's scalping. So if you're scalping, boom, that means you're actually going to sell. So this trade now, we're actually going to sell. So when do we sell? Okay, we sell only when these indicators are all in place and the conditions are 100% ready. Then we start selling. So when do you know that? When do you know that these conditions are in place? So you can see we have a black indicator here, we have a gold one, and we have the blue one. So what we do is these black and gold indicators, okay, works together. So the only thing you do is once you see this blue indicator here crossing over the black and gold indicator, and don't be like be very careful when you're doing this. This blue indicator always has to cross down. Okay, take note, don't make any mistake. This blue indicator always has to cross down. If you see it crossing down like this, like it crosses the black and gold indicator here down like this, that is when you open your positions and you sell. Okay, when you sell, you pick 10 candlesticks. Okay, you can pick as more as 10 candlesticks. You can pick more than 10 candlesticks. but it will be at your own risk. So I'll advise you just pick 10 candlesticks to be on a safer side. Close the trade, wait for another condition like this. You open the trade again and you still sell to close with profit. You can do this as many times as you want, so far these conditions are in place. So what you do is, the moment you see the blue indicator like this crossing down, please pay attention, don't make mistake. Don't sell when it's going up like this. Only sell when you see it crossing these indicators to the downside like this. When you see it crossing to the downside like this, you sell, you pick your 10 candlestick and you close the trade. Let me show you another example. This is another example, guys. As you can see, the blue indicator crosses the black and gold indicator to the downside like this. Okay, guys, crosses to the downside like this. And when that happens, you take your candlestick, 10 to 20 candlesticks. You take 10 to 20 candlesticks and you close the trade. Okay, let me show you what I mean by don't sell if you see the indicators going up. Okay, as you can see here, this is another example here. You see, this is the example. This is what I'm trying to say. You can see that when this blue indicator are actually crossing the black and gold indicator to the upside, see, we have series of spikes happening here, because at that moment the price is actually pushing up. Okay, so you have series of spike happening because the price is pushing up at that level. So it's not advisable for you to scalp when you see the blue indicator crossing the black and gold indicator to the upside. And once you see the blue indicator going up like this, don't sell. Okay, you have to hold on till when you see it look this way. Okay, so when you see it looks this way, it has to cross down like this. When you see crossing down to the downside, okay, that's when you sell. You pick your 10 candlesticks and you close the trade. So guys, it's very easy. It's very easy, guys, but it's powerful and reliable. I always advise you can try this out on your demo account, and when you get comfortable with it, you now move down to your real account. Use the strategy, milk the market as much as you can, make money. Come back here, drop some sweet comments. Okay guys, let me know how you really enjoyed the strategy. So now, before we end the video, like I said, if you're not subscribed to the channel before, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on your notification to always get amazing videos like this whenever I post them online. And also on our description page, you'll see a link to my Telegram link where you can join. Just click on the link and you join our free Telegram group where we drop signals, we drop strategies, we enlighten people more about Forex. Okay, and also if you want account management, you need a mentor, you need someone that can teach you and move into becoming a professional trader. You need someone to manage your accounts and give you daily profits every day. Okay, so just check on the description page, you see a link to my WhatsApp number. Just talk to me directly, let's work together. Okay, and guys, let me show you the settings of the videos. Okay, so for you to have this strategy work perfectly fine for you, all you just have to do is on your main chart you have the Ichimoku, you have the envelopes, you have the moving average, and under indicator window 1 you have the MACD and the relative strength index. So first of all, the first indicator you're adding here will be the Ichimoku. Guys, I won't be able to really start reading all this one by one, so when I open it like this, you just screenshot it or you pause it and fill them in on your own chart. So as you can see, this is the settings for the Ichimoku, and after that is you click done. The second one is the envelopes. As you can see, just screenshot, guys. These are the settings for the envelopes, and after you might have finished installing all these settings, you click done. And the third one on your main chart is the moving average. These are the settings for the moving average. This is it, guys. Just screenshot it, guys. Screenshot it, guys. Put it on your own chart. This is the settings for the moving average. After that, you click done. The next one will be on our indicator window 1, which is the MACD. Okay, these are the settings for the MACD indicator. This is it, guys. And after that, you click on done. The last one here will be the relative strength index. This is it, guys. just fill it the same way like this on your own charts, guys. And the next thing here, it's the levels here. The levels here is the level 10 and level 20. Just add it like that, guys, and you click on done. So that is all for the strategy, guys. This strategy works perfectly fine, guys. So I would like you to use this strategy, make some money for yourself. Come back here, leave some sweet comments. Let's see how you're really enjoying the strategy. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you some other time. Bye.